तुम कब फ्री हो जाओगे? When will you be free? When will you be free? क्या कहा उसने? What did he say? What did he say? मुझे बाहर जाने दो। Let me go out. Let me go out. आँख मत मारो। Don't wink. Don't wink. मैं बीमार हूँ। I'm sick. I'm sick. मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो। Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. मेरे पीछे आओ। Follow me. Follow me. इस तरफ देखो। Look this side. Look this side. कुछ और करो। Do something else. Do something else. वहाँ बैठ जाओ। Sit over there. Sit over there. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? दरवाजे को पूरा खोल दो। Keep the door fully open. Keep the door fully open. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? जरा एक तरफ हो जाओ। Please move aside. Please move aside. क्या वह यहाँ रहती है? Does she live here? Does she live here? और जल्दी चलाओ। Drive faster. Drive faster. खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद रखो। Shut the mouth while eating. Shut the mouth while eating. दवा ले लो। Take the medicine. Take the medicine. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उन्हें लड़ने दो। Let them fight. Let them fight. मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know? How would I know? एक निर्णय ले लो। Take a decision. Take a decision. अपनी नाक साफ करो। Blow your nose. Blow your nose. मेरे हाथ गंदे हैं। My hands are dirty. My hands are dirty. क्या आप बीमार हैं? Are you sick? Are you sick? तुम क्यों हंसते हो? Why do you laugh? Why do you laugh? तुम क्यों रोते हो? Why do you cry? Why do you cry? तुम यहाँ क्यों आते हो? Why do you come here? Why do you come here? मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ। I'm doing my work. I'm doing my work. मैं छत पर जा रही हूँ। I'm going to the roof. I'm going to the roof. बहस मत करो। Don't argue. Don't argue. अलमारी बंद कर दो। Close the almirah. Close the almirah. कपड़े को ठीक से रखो। Keep the clothes properly. Keep the clothes properly. मैं आपके साथ हूँ। I'm with you. I am with you. बाहर जाओ। Go outside. Go outside. मुझे माफ कर दो। Forgive me. Forgive me. इधर उधर मत बिखेरो। Don't mess up. Don't mess up. कपड़े को हैंगर पर लटकाओ। Put the clothes on hangers. Put the clothes on hangers. मैं अब और नहीं रुक सकता। I can't stay anymore. I can't stay anymore. तुम मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है। I don't like this. I don't like this. मुझे यह वाला पसंद है। I like this one. I like this one. एक एक करके बोलो। Speak one by one. Speak one by one. मेरा पेट खराब है। My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. मेरे पेट में गुड़गुड़ाहट हो रही है। My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है। I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything. तुम झूठ क्यों बोलते हो? Why do you tell a lie? Why do you tell a lie? एक चित्र बनाओ। Draw a picture. Draw a picture. एक घूंट पी लो। Take a sip. Take a sip. एक निवाला खा लो। Take a bite. Take a bite. मेरे मोबाइल का चार्जर। My mobile charger. My mobile charger. मुझे मैसेज कर दो। Text me. Text me. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? सेब का छिलका उतार दो। Peel off the apple. Peel off the apple. आपको सफलता मिले। May success be yours. May success be yours. मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. जल्दी आना। Come soon. जल्दी आना। Come soon. जल्दी आओ वरना मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूंगी। Come soon otherwise I wouldn't talk to you. Come soon otherwise I wouldn't talk to you. सुनकर अच्छा लगा। Sounds great. Sounds great. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? ध्यान से सुनना। Listen carefully. Listen carefully. मुझे सच बताओ। Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. मेरा मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा। I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. यहाँ पर किला लगा दो। Hammer a nail here. Hammer a nail here. आवाज बढ़ा दो। Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. आवाज कम कर दो। Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down. खिड़की बंद करो। Close the window. Close the window. इसे दोहराओ। Repeat this. Repeat this. मेरे बाद आओ। Come after me. Come after me. यहीं रुको। Stay here. Stay here. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए। You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. दरवाजे की कुंडी खोलो। Unlatch the door. Unlatch the door. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? कपड़ों को सूखने के लिए डाल दो। Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? तैयार रहना। Get ready. Get ready. उसे देर हो रही है। He is getting late. He is getting late. मुझे देर हो गई है। I'm late. I'm late. तुमने इसे कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? मैं बात कर चुका हूँ। I have spoken. I have spoken. मैं उसे देख चुका हूँ। I have seen her. I have seen her.